What is nutrition? One way to explain it is by looking at some different loaves of bread. This is a normal loaf of bread that has all of the needed ingredients in the right amount, and it feels like a normal loaf of bread. Tastes like a normal loaf of bread. This has all of the ingredients except for yeast. So it didn't rise, and it's very dense and flat. It doesn't feel like a normal loaf of bread, and doesn't taste like a normal loaf of bread. This looks nothing like a loaf of bread. It's just fluids because it doesn't have flour. So it doesn't have any structure, and it sloshes all over the place. It doesn't even smell like a regular loaf of bread. There are ingredients that the body needs to live and grow. We call these ingredients nutrients. Each nutrient has a specific job to do in the body. Nutrients are essential because the body can't make them or enough of them, and so we must get nutrients from what we eat and drink. Nutrients are grouped into 6 classes based on what they do in the body and how much is needed. Some are needed in large amounts, some are needed in small amounts, and the 6 classes of nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. When we get too much or too little of the nutrients that our bodies need through food or what we drink, then with time we don't feel well, we don't look well. Nutrition is eating and drinking food in the right amounts to get the nutrients the body needs to be healthy and well. When we nourish, we flourish.